My channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use headlight washer. The car which I'm going to be showing you is a 2019 Mitsubishi Outlander. It should be pretty much the same way on other cars. First, you should turn on your headlight full or put it on auto. Then you will need to find this lever, which is actually right here, and press it to activate it. So I'm going to put you outside and I'm just going to press it inside. Some cars you might not find this button, so to activate it you can simply just use your normal wipe for your windshield and it should work. This is going to be it for this video. If you found it helpful, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace.